Welcome, Henny. How are you?
Good, thank you. How are you? Thank you for having me.
Thank you for your time today. There's so many things happening in the sector, in the aged care space and the multicultural space as well, where you're providing services. But before you delve into the that nitty-gritties of what's happening and what to come, give us a bit of a background of yours and how have you landed this job and your background, a bit of a story
Yeah, so
and your why.
Yes, my why. Well, it's interesting because I had some done work with my why, thanks to the leadership course that I'm doing right now. So I'm a social worker by background, have been for the last 15 years. I've worked in mental health rehabilitation centers, in correction facilities, worked with refugees and settlement, and also with carers. And in the last 10 years, I was engaged with an organization called Umbrella, in which I am now the CEO of, which is a huge privilege. In the last 10 years, I had the opportunity to find what I love to do, which is obviously community engagement, listening to the communities, amplifying their voices, enabling those conversations between the different parties, as well as making sure that the communication coming from higher levels are digestible, as well as we listen to how this information is related cultural-wise and language-wise. So first 9 years of my life with Umbrella was around those community projects. I was involved with navigation service. I was involved doing dementia workshops where we explored how the communities talk about the disease in the first place and seeing if the translated materials are matching with the experience. Then I had a little bit of a break for 5 months when I became the assistant director of the community engagement team at Department of Home Affairs, which was an incredible experience of seeing a huge department, working from the background and how policy development happens inside and the incredible volume of engagement with communities. And I thought I'm doing a lot of engagement. That was just not even in the same level. So that was a great experience. But then Umbrella had some leadership crisis, and the founder and CEO of 24 years returned to Umbrella. And she gave me a call saying, Henny, Umbrella needs you and we want you back. And I came back as an operational manager, and 8 months later I became the CEO because Anna came back from her retirement, so she never planned to stay too long. So once we stabilized Umbrella, I applied for the job, done the interview, and told the board. I was very honest when I was talking to them.